Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some Dogecoin right now because there are some historical patterns that if you are a Dogecoin holder, you all need to be aware of. So let's get down into it. I'm going to share with you guys what exactly is happening with Dogecoin today. So let's get into it. If you have not done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys all being a part of the team here, and let's get down into it. All right. Please remember, though, guys, nothing I talk about is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. The market right now is kind of at a standstill. Not sure right now if it wants to be bullish or bearish. We're seeing some cryptos up that we do talk about. Pepe's up. We do see WIF is having a 3% up day in terms of memes. Brett's slightly up, and Shiba Inu slightly up as well. Dogecoin's up 0.9% as we currently are recording. It's trading here still at a 7th spot in the market cap. 31 cents, brushing 32 cents. We are kind of in a good direction, and I want to share with you guys exactly why. So this is kind of what we're looking at, okay? We have the bottom, pre-pump, and pump years as weekly candle signals are signaling that Dogecoin is gearing up for the next run, okay? So what does that actually mean, okay? We talked about it a lot. Dogecoin has the potential to hit $1. Trades eerily similar to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, by all accounts, has been recovering a little bit. If we look at kind of BTC on the day, you can see right now down 1.4%, but we are kind of oscillating a little bit now at 94.6. But if we look at Bitcoin over the last week, it's been a kind of a rough ride where we did almost brush again 100,000, and now that volatility does remain as BTC is a little bit on a dive at 94.6. So a lot of people say that the bottom is not in. I think we're going to continue to trade kind of sideways like this, have some volatility. That's just my personal opinion. So Dogecoin right now is kind of holding true at 31 cents. This could be the last chance before we hit $1. So I want to get into this historical kind of pattern because right now it's captured a lot of the attention from traders that another rally is going to happen and be on the horizon. Now, as we've struggled to remain above the 30 cents price level, okay, we did see a drop last week of 7.5%. A lot of traders are banking on an imminent turnaround, okay? Also, this is why we're looking into the yearly and weekly price movements as historical cycles, and the TA right now is hinting at a significant bullish run on the horizon. Now, the yearly harmonic pattern that we're looking at, this is eerily similar to what we've seen in three distinct phases, okay? The bottom years, the pre-pump years, and the pump years. Now, the bottom years were 2015, 19, and 2023. These were the market bottoms for Dogecoin where they reached the lowest point of the cycle before we had an upward trajectory that began. Now, meanwhile, the pre-pump years were 16, 20, and 24. Well, what is that? Okay, those are the election years, those are the Bitcoin halving cycles, and that's kind of the early signs of recovery and accumulation before we exploded and had significant rallies. Now, last time out, Dogecoin registered a 5x surge between September and December, okay? And then the pump years to kind of finish off this argument, 2017, 21, and what we're gearing up for in the incoming 2025, we've seen massive bullish candles that propelled Dogecoin to new heights, okay? So based on this recurring pattern, okay, this is kind of what I'm aligned with. I believe in this. Tardigrade, the analyst that believes that 2024 has served as a setup year, and according to him, has paved the way for a significant pattern that we see a potential major breakout in 2025, mirroring the gains that we also saw in 17 and 21 respectively. Now, if we look into that weekly chart, this is where we can couple this analysis, okay, within providing the appearance of a spinning top candlestick. Now, that's kind of where we see this pattern typically signaling a market indecision and a potential reversal. That's exactly where we're at, guys. We are just unsure if we want to be bullish or bearish, so we're kind of just consolidating and trading sideways with a lot of volatility, okay? Now, similar instances did happen in September and October. That's where Dogecoin did explode. But within this latest observation, kind of highlighting that this further reinforces the fact that I think that we are at that bottoming phase and that an uptrend is imminent for Dogecoin. So that's kind of where I'm at. I kind of agree with everything this analyst is saying. And adding to this bullish outlook, the RSI on the weekly has indicated that we have reached a support level. And historically, the RSI bounces from such levels within a immediate significant upward price movement. So what's next for Dogecoin? Okay, we're going to talk about this because as we close in at a potential bottom, if we do have these historical trends kind of come to fruition, 2025 could be that defining year for Dogecoin where we do hit all-time highs and break through $1 finally. Okay, Tardigrade also kind of reaffirming his bullish stance, forecasting for a $4 trillion market cap for Dogecoin. That is super bullish. That would have a price point exceeding $30. I'm not going to be in line with that. I think personally that's a little bit too out of the realm of possibilities. But for me in Dogecoin, I do think that 2025 is setting up for a clear bullish strike, where I do think that we do hit all-time highs and potentially $1. Okay, so that's kind of where I'm at. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm just sharing with you guys this analyst's take, also coupling that with my beliefs and my opinions. And I do think that if we do kind of repeat historically what Dogecoin has done in 2021, 2025, that's coming, in 2017, I think that all bets are off and that Dogecoin has a lot of reasons to be bullish about hitting $1 and all-time highs. Okay, so with that, I'll leave you. I just want to share with you guys these comments. Also, in the description, you'll find links for CoinW. If you're able to trade on CoinW, check out their terms and conditions. Join us on our private Telegram group where there's professional trading insight on the daily, a lot of alpha and information within that Telegram group. There's a 4-step process to verify after you create an account using my link. Then we'll see you all over there. If you're able to trade and you run it through your due diligence and you want to get started trading on CoinW, links down below. Okay. With that, I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.